AirCut Technologies is a company specializing in energy efficiency in pneumatics. 70% of all industries use compressed air in their operations. X-Block is a device that is installed in existing air-powered machinery in the industry. The system lowers the normal air consumption up to 60%, but many of our installations result in significantly greater savings. X-Block is patented with patents in many countries. Additional applications are pending. We will now demonstrate a regular cylinder application and compare it with our patented solution. Here we can see a standard cylinder operating through normal cycles. It is the operating pressure on both sides of the piston within the cylinder which makes a movement on the plus and minus sides. In order to increase or decrease the speed of the cylinder, the flow control valves are opened or closed and the air passes faster or slower through the cylinder. We should note that a standard cylinder releases the air used twice per cycle into the atmosphere. We should now look at an installation of the X-Block system. Install the monitor on the main branch of the machine. Mount it on a visible place like at eye level where you pass each day. The X-Block system not only reduces air consumption, but it also monitors leakage in and around the machines. Leaking tubes and internal leakage across a piston is very expensive for a compressor, as a compressor often will need to operate all the time to refill air into the system. We will now start production and connect the measurement equipment in order to allow us to monitor the machine's condition. Now it's time to shut down the machine and plug in the X-Block system. After installation, we can now see how the air pulsates in a closed system, which is unique to our patented solution. Note that the venting to atmosphere occurs only once per cycle, compared to a standard system in which bleeding occurs twice per cycle. Tank volume determines the pressure differential during a cycle of the cylinder. We will now show how the X-Block system works with a group of cylinders. We have installed X-Block with a standard cylinder, double acting cylinder, rotary actuator, and a rodless cylinder. The system is also configured with a tank to equalize the pressure differential to about 0.5 bar during a full cycle with the machine. A major advantage of the system is that we use the kinetic energy in the load, such as a fast machine with reciprocating motion. Air consumption was reduced from 1.53 liters per second down to 0.52 liters per second, which results in a reduction of 74%. This technique works like an adjustable air spring, and it gives the cylinder a much smoother ride and reduces significantly wear and tear on mechanical components, as well as reduces machine noise. This results in a much improved working environment. We'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch our video and hope that the X-Block system has been of interest to you.